Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to your first maths meeting of the week. Before we begin, as always, please make sure you have something to write with and something to write on. If you don't have this equipment, please pause the video now and join us when you are ready. Let's begin. We're going to start off with our months of the year song. Everyone join in with me. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Well done, Year 2. While you are having a look at this, please think about how many days are in the month of March and how many days are in the month of April. Pause the video while you complete these sentences. Let's check through our answers. There are 31 days in March. There are 30 days in April. Well done, everybody. We are going to move on to our multiples. I have a number track here. Could you please pause the video and have a look at the pattern? What are we counting in? Well done if you notice that we are counting in tens. Have a look at the number track again. Are the numbers increasing or decreasing? Remember, increasing means the numbers are getting smaller. Decreasing means the numbers are getting bigger. Well done if you spotted the numbers are decreasing. They are getting smaller each time. Now could you pause the video and write down the 3 missing numbers on my number track? Let's check through our answers. Your first missing number should have been 140. Your next missing number should have been 110, and your last missing number should have been 80. Good work, everybody. Let's read through our complete number track. 150, 140, 130, 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. Good work, everybody. We're going to move on to some more multiples now. We've got some cookies on some plates. We're going to answer the first question together. How many plates are there? Let's check. There are 1, 2, 3 plates. There are 3 plates. Could you please pause the video while you write down your answers to the next 2 sentences? How many cookies are on each plate? How many cookies are there all together? Pause the video and write down your answers. Let's check. How many cookies are on each plate? 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cookies on each plate. How many cookies are there all together? Now, I could count how many cookies I have all together in many different ways. I could count in ones. That would take me a while. I could count in twos, but I could also count in how many cookies they are grouped by. I already know there are 4 cookies on each plate, so I could count in 4s to find my answer. 4, 8, 12. There are 12 cookies all together. Give yourself a tick if you got them correct or fix your answer. Now, could you please complete a multiplication equation for the numbers of cookies on each plate? Remember to use our important information. We know there are 3 plates, there are 4 cookies on each plate, and there are 12 cookies all together. Pause the video and complete a multiplication equation. Let's check our answer. Well done if you have the equation. 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. Good work, everybody. We're going to move on to Patty place value. I'm going to read the sentences to you, and then I would like you to complete them using your 100 square. 10 more than 57 is. 10 less than 91 is. Pause the video and work out your answer. Let's tick or fix our answer. 10 more than 57. Remember, our first job is to locate 57 on our 100 square. Now I know that I'm looking for 10 more, so I can just jump down my 100 square vertically and I land on 67. 10 more than 57 is 67. Our next sentence had the number 91. Again, I need to start by looking for 91 on my 100 square. And I know this sentence is telling me it needs to be 10 less. So I go up vertically on my 100 square and I land on 81. 10 less than 91 is 81. Tick or fix your answers. We're going to move on to know what Noah knows. And today we're going to use our knowledge of our number bonds to help us with some bonds to 100. I'm going to read you the 4 equations, then I would like you to pause the video and work out your answers. 86 add equals 100. 92 add equals 100. 100 subtract equals 86. 100 subtract equals 92. Pause the video and complete your 4 equations. Let's check our answers. 86 adds 14 equals 100. 92 adds 8 equals 100. We're going to move on to subtraction. Now remember, you could have used your knowledge of inverse operations to work out your answers. That means we swap the numbers around to make the equation. 100 subtract 14 equals 86. 100 subtract 8 equals 92. Well done, year 2. And finally, we'll move on to Shay's shapes. Shay says, I am thinking of an 8-sided shape. All of its edges are equal. What shape am I thinking of? Have a look at our 2D shapes below to work out the shape of the 8-sided shape with all of its edges equal. Pause the video and have a think. Let's check our answer. We know that the only 8-sided shape with edges that are equal is a octagon. Well done if you got this answer. Good work, year 2. I am so impressed with your hard work.